a meditation practice at home can be a great way to bring more calm and relaxation into your daily routine. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Choose a quiet area in your home where you can sit comfortably and meditate without being disturbed. It could be a corner of your room or a designated meditation space. Set a regular schedule. Decide on a regular time and duration for your meditation practice. This could be as little as 5 minutes per day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Choose a meditation technique. There are many types of meditation techniques you can try, such as mindfulness meditation, mantra meditation, or guided meditation. Find one that resonates with you and stick with it. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position, either cross-legged on the floor or in a chair. Make sure your back is straight and your shoulders relaxed. Focus on your breath. Begin your meditation practice by focusing on your breath. Take slow, deep breaths and try to focus on the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Be patient and kind to yourself. Don't worry if you find it difficult to focus at first. Meditation takes practice and patience. Be kind to yourself and don't judge yourself for having thoughts or distractions. Keep practicing. The more you practice meditation, the easier it will become. Try to make it a daily habit, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Over time, you may notice that you feel more relaxed, focused, and grounded in your daily life. Remember, meditation is a personal practice, so feel free to experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. A link to a guided meditation is provided in the description box. Use it to access your inner healing resources, get rid of limiting belief, support self-expression, and inspire positive, long-lasting change. Thank you for watching.